Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character qi step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write qi. Gas, air, smell. To get angry, for example, 人气 popularity. 人气 popularity. Character. Now check this sentence. The story had an extensive popularity among readers. 这个故事在读者中人气很高。The story had an extensive popularity among readers. The story had an extensive popularity among readers. 这个故事在读者中人气很高。The story 这个故事在读者中 among the readers 人气很高。The story had an extensive popularity among readers. 这个故事在读者中人气很高。气 incursive. 气 gas, air, smell. To get angry. 人气 popularity, character. The story had an extensive popularity among readers. 这个故事在读者中人气很高。气 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 气. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.